before I even met him, I think he was talking about the build. Our first date on our way to the restaurant, he drove me in some car that wasn't even his because he was just about to get a Tacoma. And the whole way there, all he did was talk about how I want to get this Tacoma and I want to build it up and I want it to be this Reptile mobile. And here I am. I barely even knew who the guy was. And I was like, okay, that sounds cool. Sure. You know, and ever since he's talked about it.
You guys got all that done.
In a week. A little less than a week.
What do you guys think?
Dude. Do you like it? Look, it says Kamp Kenan on and everything.
Come check it out,
They're
guys.
speechless.
I can never not talk, man. You guys are gnarly. Man, I'm still shaking after laying eyes on that thing for the first time. It's like I'm almost exhausted with how much excitement I have. The first thing that caught my eye, it's a barrage, okay? I see the Kamp Kenan on the sides. I can't believe you guys got that done. Then I see the branch deflectors. I'm like, it's amazing. But it almost went on Kamp Kenan, branch deflectors, and then right down to that gorgeous front end. You guys are really unbelievable. I mean, you guys must have busted serious ass. This bumper, I love this bumper. This is like the first thing I did. Listen, doing. How cool is that, man? Listen, it's the little things, right? It's the little things that really just make a truck your own. But I love how, you know what I mean? Like there's no wasted space. It's tight. It looks like it's a stock.
Just sleek, low profile, provides all the protection.
Did you guys get this done in a week too? Because this is like a special.
Oh yeah.
You guys are all. Whoa! Wait a second.
Okay. So
What's going on here, baby? No
grill,
more ugly chrome
the
grill.
grill you had was so
it's horrible.
ugly.
I wouldn't fry a hamburger on that thing. This is the TRD. I thought you were gonna.
So it was a mission.
happened?
We got it in though. We got it in.
way.
COVID definitely made it hard for it to come, but it came in.
That is sick, man. When I explained to Dave, look, I need illumination, man, because I'm out at night cruising the roads for snakes, getting them off roads. You know, I do a lot of videos on YouTube showing people these animals. And when I go out into the wild, the best way to catch snakes, sadly, is on the roads. They come out to warm up. So I told Dave I needed the best possible illumination, and he's like, I get it now. And so seeing the ditch lights, the way they're angled, I know they're gonna light up literally the ditches. And in Florida, the ditches are full of fun stuff. Gators, turtles, snakes, possum, racket, everything.
You've got our 20-inch bar that fits in perfectly. It's protected back behind the guards.
Oh my God.
Amber lenses really are gonna help in dusty, foggy conditions, things like that. But this is gonna provide you with lighting to see wherever you want.
You're gonna have to forgive me, guys, because it's sensory overload. I just saw my bikes on the thing. Like it's sensory, it's every single thing. Like I just noticed my friends at Mile Marker pulled through too. I love the bumper. You're hiding the winch, but inside we got an SEC winch, SEC winch from Mile Marker. These guys were the first people to somewhat sponsor me. I did a little R&D for them because they're out of Pompano Beach, Florida. So I am pumped.
Awesome.
That's what I was looking at. I saw I love, this is going to be the only other color I don't mind is the Mile Marker orange.
David's not gonna agree with you.
Yeah, I know, he's going to want me to spread it out.
Like, how can we block it out?
No, David's the guy behind the camera.
He wanted to black
But
out the light.
We got full synthetic rope. I mean, that's really cool, man.
All right, there's
very
one thing
stuff.
I want to show you real quick.
Oh, wait, all right, because there's a lot of things I need to look at here, dude.
Come down here.
You gotta check this.
What's this?
Check out the headlights. You ready?
Okay. Oh my God, they're blacked out.
Wait.
What's going on? It is Knight Rider. It's Michael Knight's car. What's going
How cool
on?
is that?
Alpha Rex.
Yes.
Jeez.
Aren't those things sweet?
And not only that, they're extremely bright.
Well, that's
Like,
good because we got to
extremely
drive
bright.
home tonight. I'm going to be doing a full-on eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking all night long, dude. That is gnarly. What was cool is when I was talking about the front end, my eyes then went to the headlamps, and they're dark. They're like they're evil looking. They give the front end of my truck the look of a snake. When you see like rattlesnakes, they have a scale over their eye that gives it a kind of like, yo dude, a furrowed brow. And it kind of gives it that look, man. I love it. Those Alpha Rex headlights are insane. I love snorkels, guys. This is like, to me, when it comes to like the inspiration for off-road came when I went to Australia. Australia is just such an amazing continent. And the vehicles are your lifeline out there. And everybody's rolling with the snorkel. Now the reality is the snorkel is actually for breathing.
Yeah.
It's to get up and away from dust.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily to go through water. There are, I guess, some things you can do it helps,
yeah.
but this is nice, man. This is slick. I can't believe this is much. You guys really gonna let me drive this thing out?
Yeah.
Because this feels like it's like,
Here are the keys.
come on. I'm shaking. You notice I'm shaking? As far as what I do with reptiles, my channel is there to educate the public. Much like Tacoma Beast, you know, you guys are showing people how can I make these vehicles capable? I show people, how can I care for these animals properly? What do I do if I run into one in the wild? Who should I call? Should I be afraid of it? It's all about all aspects of the education to educate people who want to know about them, and maybe even just the kind of layperson who stumbles upon my content. Is just education. Get out of no way! This is insane. Dana, so I got a buddy, Dana, from Midwest Tongues. Now remember, the whole reason I was doing this is to save animals.
Right.
You guys did it.
Yeah.
You actually did. You crazy bastard.
Yeah, one of our fabricators.
That's a
Steve,
Jurassic Park thing.
One of our fabricators, Steve, came up with this setup. So you just got the wing nuts, you got all of your gear there. I'm not sure what any of these are.
Hey, let me show you. When I saw what you guys did as far as mounting the hooks and snares and nets, it exceeded my expectations. It looked better than my mind's eye. I really love just the simplicity and the access I now have to get these tools when I need them. Because sometimes, you know, the animal doesn't want to be caught. You got to remember that. If I'm trying to get something out of someone's backyard, I got to be quick. And I love the snake hook holders in the back on the high clearance bumper, because you can adjust those little wing nuts for when I'm rolling over some hardcore, you know, gravel roads or ruts and stuff. But I would most likely just be crawling along. I can jump out of the truck, go around back, grab my pole, and then get right to it. Okay, so check this out. So we've got the grabbers here. We'll snip that, and this becomes a safe way to gently, there you go. So this is just a safe way. How you doing, everybody? Good to see you. This is just like their gentle giant tongs. So if I don't want to get hands on the venomous snake, I could gently pick them up and remain far enough away that the animal can't hurt me. All right, so that's one way. This is awesome. I didn't think this was something that wasn't on my list, but Dana, in his providence and expertise, this is a python, a large snake hook. So I've got a 13-foot python buttercup. There are pythons out there in the Everglades. They don't belong there, from Southeast Asia, but this is a large hook that can gently help you maneuver the snake without breaking its ribs, because they're so heavy bodied. Sometimes you can actually hurt the animal if you don't have the right tools. So this is what makes this build very unique, because now I feel like CBI and Tacoma Beast, you guys have given me a one-of-a-kind vehicle. There is nobody, that's hot too, by the way, sorry, ADD kid. There's nobody out there that has a setup like this, I can guarantee you. I am extremely lucky, man. And this is a noose. This is a new. What do you got? More?
Got more back here.
Get out of here.
Well, there's also a bike rack right here. So
good.
You can put another
We can?
bike here. Yes.
Fire it up, dude. I'm stoked. I'm gonna do it. Yes. This is awesome, man. So we got another bike rack.
We've got these two.
Wait, you made?
Yeah, so these
Get out of here, man.
We'll
open this for you.
Look at this back
see
end.
'em.
I gotta be honest. The sexiest thing about the CBI stuff is how it makes the back look on the truck. I've been jealous of your truck. When I'm on your Instagram, when I was looking, I love the dual swing outs.
Oh, they're
and
awesome.
I know, check this out, guys. So I'm gonna be out and about with the fam. I don't know how to open it.
Pull it right down the top.
Pull it down. Look at that. Or if I'm doing work with animals, you know, we've got a platform here. You know, fold this down. You got a platform. We got another table right here. Hun, look at this.
Wow.
A his and hers. You can have your We're gonna have a little.
romantic picnic.
That's right. We're gonna have a romantic picnic, darling. That's right.
Kenan, so check this
Okay,
out.
yes.
More tools here.
This is insanity, man. You guys, this is all one of a kind stuff.
Right.
These don't exist
No.
on your normal.
No, we like that was all custom made. This, I mean, this is another product that we do make for camp lights, but
Okay.
we just adapted it for your tools.
Well, and this is just a little pinch.
Right, just to make sure that it doesn't.
It doesn't fly out.
Right.
And you know, the cool thing is there's this place, and I want to bring you to it, you and David, where we go look for snakes. Again, this tool, guys, is to support the animal's body. It's a double hook, so you don't hurt it. Okay, because everything I do, I don't want to hurt the animals. We're here to help them. And you guys are helping me help them, man. This is nuts. Wait a minute, what's up with that?
Oh wow.
That's new.
What is
That's
that?
new.
Found them.
Taillights.
You got taillights too.
Well, we couldn't leave the red. We wanted to make it so black that we were like, all right, we gotta make the taillights black too. David wanted to make the gas tanks black.
Good man. I hear you. I would have if I had more time. That's awesome though. Why this truck is so important for what I do is I do a lot of work with Bush Wildlife Sanctuary. They're a nonprofit organization that's a community animal sanctuary, and their job is to protect and educate the community about our native Florida wildlife. So I work with exotic reptiles, but I love all animals and all reptiles. And what'll happen is I wind up getting calls to remove coral snakes, which are venomous, water moccasins, also rattlesnakes are found in my area. And so the truck is going to be a transport vehicle to get them out.
It's amazing. I mean, I didn't even know. He explains it to me a bit, and I go, oh yeah, okay, sure, that sounds good.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be proud to sit next to him while he drives it around.
So you got the full skids underneath, our overland skid plates.
Okay.
So full coverage all the way to the back here,
What?
plus the gas tank skid,
Oh, this is amazing, man.
which is very cool.
Total protection.
Total protection. You can see what's really cool here on the back is you have this crossbar,
Okay.
which is part of our skid plate package, which reinforces the skids right here at the most vulnerable area, right at the back.
Right.
So it's reinforced right to the frame.
So this way, if I were to hit it without this,
Yeah.
it would crimp, right?
Yep,
It would
it
fold
would.
up. Now, because of this, the angles you have here, it just, that's incredible. So it protects the transfer
Super
case.
strong.
This
Carry
is-
the weight of the vehicle.
Yeah,
Beat it up.
Yeah.
That's a scary thing to tell Kenan.
Yeah, don't give him permission to do that.
He's like, okay, where
Where
can
we
we
go?
go?
Where are we going? You know, want to drive to the Amazon? Mateo, let's
you'll
go.
appreciate this too. Check this out. Just
What's
so
this?
you know, if you look at the rear bumper, I want to show you this, how we reinforce the rear bumper. So here on the sides,
Okay.
these sides where this is a high clearance rear bumper,
Okay.
it's fully reinforced. Not only does it mount around the frame rails
Okay.
on both ends, you've got, let's see, 5 bolts on each frame rail here. But then you have these side supports. So you're fully supported, not just the back of the bumper, which you're gonna take the brunt of the abuse is gonna
Right.
come in
On
this
departure
area.
angles and stuff like
Uh-huh.
that.
But this right here, it's attached right back to the frame again. You've
So if
got
I were to
enough-
slide off and hit here, no worries.
Yeah, no
Talking
worries.
about rock crawling, or not that I'm going to be rock crawling, but if I'm negotiating some
Yeah.
rocky trails, that'll save your butt for sure.
The other cool thing that we do, just so you're aware, when you cut this body here, you know, there's structure right behind this corner. We leave all of that so it keeps the rigidity of the body. And then this panel is reinforced. There's a bracket up behind the fender here. You can't probably even see it. But it reinforces this panel, so then you don't have a loose, weak panel
Yeah.
that's, you know,
That's
doesn't
just
have
flopping.
that structure there.
No, I see it. It's right here. It was CBI or who? No one. I didn't have anyone else in my mind. And the reason I chose them is because from bumper to bumper, that truck is protected. And when I get out there in these wildlife management areas, there's a lot of submerged roots. There's a lot of submerged tree trunks. We have coral limestone down in Florida. I have seen guys blow holes in their transfer cases underwater, man. 2 things wrong with that. Number 1, you've just blown a hole in a very important part of your vehicle. Second thing is, all that oil is getting out into the environment. So when I go out and I wheel, number 1, I stay on the trails. Number 2, I want to have a low impact. We're trying to be responsible with how we get out there and wheel. Those skid plates are going to be amazing to protect the bottom of my truck. Look, the bottom line is it's about keeping your bottom line safe. You know, you spend the money up front for that protection, so you're not spending money down the road on U-joints, and you know, it's just a hell of a way to protect the vehicle.
Cool, there you go. No way. This thing is awesome.
Sleeping in the Rainbow River.
That's right, we're going to Rainbow River.
This is insane.
This works.
This thing.
Oh, look, we all fit.
Wow. We can all
No way.
sleep up here together.
Just want to go hang out with Mateo. When's the next trip, dude? Where are we going? I'm telling you, that's perfect. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
If I were a kid, which I still am at 46, you know, if I could envision a Batmobile for myself, this is it. It is awesome. All you guys need to do at Tacoma Beast is put up the Kamp Kenan signal, and I'll be wherever you need me, man.
So you ready to take her out?
I am ready. Let's go. Where are we going?
Let's do it.
Where are we going?
Where are we going, Nate?
We're gonna go just up in the foothills.
I love it. All right, let's do it. Let's see what she can do, man. Thank you, guys.
Do it.
How are you feeling riding this for the first time?
I'm ready to get this thing dirty and then go drive 2,500 miles. We've gotten calls where out of town, unfortunately, animals are poached or shot. For example, we had an issue where a gator was illegally shot in the head and just left to die. This animal was still alive. So I had to take my then stock Taco all the way out to this wildlife management area. It's a hunting ground. And I got the truck stuck in the mud. It delayed the time that I could have been working with the animal and getting the animal transported out. So this truck is now completely capable to get in and out of these situations. It's the ultimate reptile rescue machine.
All right, so that about wraps it up for this video. Kenan, you really challenged us with
Yeah,
this
right.
build.
I challenged you guys. You guys delivered in a way I didn't even think was possible. To get what you got done in such a short time, it blew my mind. And really, your guys, with what you fabricated for my snake tools and the bikes and everything, dream come true. Really, truly. Thank you very much.
It was a fun build, though. Honestly, probably one of the most awesome builds we've done.
All right,
just
well,
very unique, very cool.
my hope is that I can do a lot more with you guys in the future, because even this little adventure got me jazzed to get this thing dirtier.
Can't wait. We're gonna go to Florida down to hang out with you.
Let's do it.
If you guys like this truck, make sure to like it down below. If you guys haven't already followed us, make sure to do so, and I will see you in the next video.